everyone. Today we are going to discussing about one matrices from the exercise 3.1 and problem number 1. The matrix first one, the order of the matrix. Second one, the number of elements. Third one, write the elements. A13, A21, A23, A24, A23, etc. Right? In the matrix here, A is equal to, in the matrix is given here already here. First one, what is the question here? The order of the matrix. Here, the order of the matrix is nothing but what here? The number of rows into the number of columns. Here, rows is nothing but it is a horizontal line, and columns is nothing but what here? Vertical line. Right? In the first one question, the given matrix A is equal to one. Generally, this is the element here. Here, which one element here? This is the first row, and this one is which one column here? First column. I have to take generally here A. A is the element of, this is the element of first row, first column number. This is the row number, and this one is the column number. Next, this one, which one row here? This is the first row entirely. Is the first row, and which one column here? This is the first column, and this one is what here? Second column. A12. Next one what here? A13. Next A1. Right? This is the third column, and this one is what here? First row, fourth column. Next one. This is the which one row here? Second row. Right? This is the first one we have to write. Second row. Which one column here? First column. Next, this one. Which one row number here? Second row, and which one column here? Second column. Next, second row, third column. Next, second row, fourth column. Next one, this one here, which one row number here? This is the first row, this one second row, and this one is third row. This is the first, third row, and what is the column number here? First column, right? Third row, first column element. Next, third row, second column. Next, third row, third column. Next, third row, fourth column in general. Right? Here first what is asking from the question here? First one, the order of the matrix. What is the order here? Right? Order of the matrix is nothing but here the number of rows into the number of columns. How many rows here? Right? This is the first row, and this one is what here? Second row, and this one is third row. Right? The order of the matrix is right here. How many rows are there? 3 rows. In right. Then how many columns here? First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Right. The order of the matrix is what here? 3 cross 4. Right. Next second one question. Then what is the second question here? The number of elements. These are called the what here? Elements here. Right? Totally how many elements are there? Right? Totally the number of elements are how much here? 12. Right? Next. Third. Write the elements of A13. Here A13 is nothing but what here? First row, third column element. In the matrix, first row, third column element, where it is there? Right? This is the first row, third column element. Then A13. It is what is the element here? 19. Right? A13 is good. What is the element here? 19. Next. What is next? here? Second row, first column element. What is the second row, first column element here? This is second row, this is the first column element. What here? 35. Second row, first column element is the 35. Next, third row, third column element. What is third row, third column element here? This is the third row and this one is third column. What here? -5. Next, second row, fourth column. Right? This is the second row. What is the fourth column here? This is the fourth column. Second row, fourth column element is what here? 12. Next, second row, third column. Second row, third column element, what is that? 5/2. Right? It's over. This is the first question answer here. Next, second one. Second question. If a matrix has (24) elements, what are the possible order it can have? It can have. What if it has 13 elements? Right? In the previous problem, the matrix already elements are given here, but asking from order of the matrix. But in this problem, if a matrix has 24 elements are given here already, then what is the possible order it can have? How many possible orders we have to arrange these 24 elements here? Then 24. How to find out order of the matrix here? Just we have 24 is the which one multiple numbers, that is called the order of the matrix. Right? First, if a matrix has 24 elements, then 24. Here 24 is a multiple of 1, right? 1 how much is 24? 1 into 24, right? This is the first possible order, right? This is the row and this is the columns, right? Then how to arrange here 24 elements here? 1 row and 24 columns we have to arrange. Next, 24 elements and 24 is a multiple of 2, right? 2 how much is 24? 2. 12 is 24, right? This meaning is what here? 2 rows and 12 columns we have to arrange with these 24 elements. Next, 24 is a multiple of 3, right? 3 how much is 24? 3 8 is, right? 3 8 is 24. Next, yeah, 24 is a multiple of 4. Yes, how much? 4 how much is 24 here? 4 6 is 24. Next, 24 is a multiple of 5. It is not possible. 24 is a multiple of 6, right? 6 how much is 24? 6 4. Next, 7 it is possible. It is not possible, right? 8 how much is 24? 8 3 is 24. Next, 9 is not possible. 10 is not possible. 11 is not possible. 12 how much is 24 here? 12 2 is 24, right? Next, 13 is a multiple of 24. 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 is not possible. 24 is a multiple of 24. 24 how much is 24 here? 24 1 is 24. This is the possible order if a matrix has how much elements here? 24 elements. These are the possible orders here entire. Next, and another question is asking here, what if it has what here? 13 elements. If a matrix has 13 elements, right? Then 13 is which one multiple here? One is a multiple of every one number here, right? 1 how much is 13 here? 1 1 13 is a 30, right? 1 into 1 cross 30, it is a 1 order. And another one, 13 is a multiple of 2, it is not it. 3 is not possible, 4 is not possible, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is not possible, 12 is also not possible. Only possible for what? Another 13 ones, right? This is the possible order if a matrix has how much element here? 13 elements, right? This is the question number 2 answer here, right? Next one. Question number 3. Question number 3. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Like in this question, third question, if a matrix has how many elements here? 18 elements. What are the possible order it can have? And also, what if it has what here? 5 elements, right? If a matrix has, how much elements is given here? 18 elements are there, right? In 18 elements, what are the possible order? 18 is a multiple of which one numbers? That is the order of the matrix here, right? 1 is a multiple of 18, 18 is a multiple of 1 here, right? 1 how much 18 here? 118, right? 1 cross 18 is a 1 order. Next, 18 is a multiple of 2, 2 how much 18 here? 2 9, 2 cross 9 is another order of the matrix. Next, 3 6, right? 3 6, right? Next, 4 is not a multiple of 18, right? 18 is not a multiple of 4, sorry. Next, 5 is not possible, 6 is possible here, right? 6 how much 18 here? 6 3 is 18, right? 7 is not a multiple of 18, right? 8 9, yes, 9 is possible. 9 how much 18? 9 2 is 18, right? Next, 18 is not a multiple of 10, right? Next, 18 is not a multiple of 11, 18 is not a multiple of 12, 13 is not possible, 14 is not possible, 15, 16, 17 not possible. Only not possible for last for what here? 18, right? 18 how much 18 here? 18 1 the 18, right? If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible order here? 1 into 18, 1 cross 18, we have to read it as 1 cross 18. Next, 2 how much 18 here? 2 cross 9. Next, 3 cross 6. Next, 6 cross 3, 9 cross 2, 18 cross 1, right? If a matrix has 18 elements, this is the possible order. Next, and also asking from the question, what if it has 5 elements? If a matrix has 5 elements, what is the possible order, right? 5 is a multiple, 5 is a multiple of 1, right? 1 how much 5? 1 5, right? 1 into 5. Next, 5 is a multiple of 2, 5 is a multiple of 3, 5 is not a multiple of 4. Only possible for what here? Last one. 5 is a multiple of what here? Right? This is the possible order if a matrix has 5 elements. This question is asking from in 2020, the main exam, 1 marks question. Right? Next question. Fourth question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix here. A equal to Aij. I throw j column element whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I divided by j. Here we have to construct the matrix, but here what is order is given here? 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means what here? 2 into 2. How much elements present in the given matrix here? 4 elements, right? 2 cross 2 is nothing but 2 rows and 2 columns. Here matrix A equal to here A is small letter A is given. Ij, here I is nothing nothing but row number and j is nothing but what here? Column number, right? First we have to construct 2 cross 2 matrix. Here already matrix is given here. A equal to. How to construct here? First 2 cross 2 order. 2 cross 2 order means what here? How many elements present in the matrix here? 4 elements are there, right? The order of the matrix it is equal to the number of elements present in the given matrix here, right? First we have to already general is given here. What is the element is given here? A. We have to write first 2 rows and 2 columns. First we have to write it, right? Here how many rows are there? 2 rows, right? This is the first row and this is the second column. Next how many columns here? 2 columns. This is the first column, this is the second column. What is the order of the matrix here? 2 cross 2 order. Next here I, j. Here I is nothing but row number and j is nothing but what here? Column number. This A is the element of which one row and which one column here? This is the first row. First we have to write row number and which one column here? This one? First column. First row, first column. Next this one here what here? Which one row? First row. And which one column here? Second column. Next this one, which one row number here? This is the first row completed and this one here what here? Second row. And which one column here? First column. And this one second row and which one column here? Second column element, right? Whose elements are given by already what are the elements are given here? Aij is equal to I divided by j. First we have to write here Aij is equal to I divided by j is given here, right? Then we have to write these elements here. We have to compare to this equation. Aij is equal to Aij in place of we have to take first one element. What is the first element here? First row, first column element A11, right? Here I is nothing but what here? 1 and j is nothing but what here? 1. We have to substitute in place of I 1 and j is in place of substitute 1 here, right? What happens here? 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 1 is nothing but what here? 1. Next we have to take this one element A1. Here I is nothing but what here? 1 and j is nothing but what here? 1. We have to substitute in place of I 1 and j in place of what we have to substitute here? 2. 1 by 2. Next this one here A2, right? We have to compare to this equation. What here? I is nothing but 2, j is nothing but what here? 1. We have to substitute in that place. I is nothing but what here? 2, j is nothing but 1. 2 divided by 1 is nothing but what here? 2. Next this one element A2, right? I row number is what here? Second row and column number is what here? 2. I in place of we have to substitute 2 and j is in place of also substitute 2. 2 divided by 2 is nothing but what here? 1, right? In the matrix is replaced in place of we have to write these elements here, right? Here A is equal to what is the element of A11 here? First row, first column element 1 here. We have to write 1 in place of A11. We have to write 1. Next, what is the element of first row, second column element here? 1 by 2. In place of first row, second column element 1 by 2. Next, what is the second row, first column element here? 2. Right? 2. Next, what is second row, second column element? 1. This is the construction of matrices of order 2 cross 2. Right? Next one, second question. Same. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Here A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to same question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Here we have to write same here. Same how to construct here. First we have to construct 2 cross 2 matrix. Here how many elements present in the given matrix here? 4 elements are there, right? 2 rows, 2 columns. First we have to write A, right? Here 2 rows, right, and 2 columns. We have to arrange it. I is nothing but row number and j is nothing but column number. This is the element. A is the element of which one row here? First row. And which one column here? First column. And this is the element of which one row here? First row. And this is the what here? Second column. And this is the next. Which one row here? Second row. Which one column? First column. And this is the which one row here? Second row, second column element. Right? Whose elements are given? What is the elements elements are given here. Aij is equal to I plus j whole square. Right? First we have to take here Aij is equal to what given here? I plus j whole square divided by 2. Right? Here, first we have to write first row, first column element. A11. What is the row number? 1. What is the column number here? 1. In place of I we have to substitute 1, and j in place of also we have to substitute 1. 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 1 plus 1 how much here? 2. 2 square divided by 2 square how much here? 4. 4 by 2. Right? 2 ones are 2 2s. Right? Then first row, first column elements, what is the element here? 2. Next we have to take this one here. A1. Right? Here I is nothing but what here? 1, and j is nothing but 2. Where is the row number I? In place of we have to substitute 1, and j in place of we have to substitute 2. 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 1 plus 2 how much here? 3. 3 square divided by 3 square how much here? 9 divided by 2. Right? Next we have to A2, second row, first column element. Second row, first column element. What is I? 2. And what is j? 1. Right? In that equation, I in place of we have to substitute what here? 2 plus j in place of we have to substitute what here? 1. 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 1 whole square how much here? 3. 3 square divided by 2. 3 square how much here? 9. 9 divided by 2. Next, this one element. A, second row, second column element. Right? Then I is nothing but 2. We have to compare in this equation. I is nothing but 2, and j is also nothing but 2. We have to substitute in place of I and j, we have to substitute 2. 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 2 plus 2 how much here? 4. 4 square divided by 2. 4 square is how much here? 16. 16 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 8. Is nothing but 8. Right? In place of substitute, what are the elements is comes here? In place of we have to substitute that elements. A is equal to. What is the element of first column element here? 2. We have to write 2. Next, first row, second column element. What is the element here? 9 by 2. Next, second row, first column element. What here? 9 by 2. Next, second row, second column element. What here? 8. This is the construction of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Next question. Construct 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. Right? Here construct what is the order of the matrix here? 3 cross 4. Here 3 is nothing but rows and 4 is nothing but columns. We have to construct the matrix 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 cross 4. Then how many elements are present in the matrix here? 3 4s are 12. We have to write the first in the given matrix. We have to write 12 elements. Right? First we have to take any capital letters from the matrix, given matrix. We have to take here A equal to. Then first we have to arrange 3 rows. Right? Rows is nothing but what here? Horizontal line. Right? Then how many rows we have to arrange here? 3 rows. Right? This is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. Then how many columns? 4 columns. This is the first column, and next one is the what here? This is the second column, and this one is what here? Third column, and this one is what here? Fourth column. Right? This is a matrix of order 3 cross 4. Then how many rows here? First row, second row, and this is the third row. And how many columns? This is the first column, second column, third, and fourth. This is the matrix 3 cross 4. The matrix, the given element. What is the row number and what is the column number here? This is the first row, first column, and this is the first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, and this one is second row, first column, second row, second row, third column, second row, fourth column. Next, this one, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, third row, fourth column. Right? Whose elements are given? What is the elements are given here? Aij is equal to 1 by 2 to, this is the modulus here. Right? Modulus of minus 3i plus j. First, Aij is equal to, what is given here? 1 by 2 minus 3i plus j. Right? Here first we have to take first row, first column element. So the first row, first column, A1, 1. Here what is row number? 1. And what is the column number? 1. Where it is I, in place of we have to substitute 1, and j is also in place of we have to substitute 1. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 by 2. Here minus 3 minus into plus what here? Minus 3 ones are 3. Minus 3 plus 1. Right? Here same 1 by 2. Modulus minus 3 plus 1 how much here? Minus 2. Right? Here modulus of minus 2 is nothing but what here? 2. 1 by 2 into 2. How much here? 2 ones are 2 to get cancelled. Remaining is what here? 1. Right? Next, second one element. A1. First row, second column. I is nothing but 1, j is nothing but 2. Right? 1 by 2 minus 3 into I in place of we have to substitute what here? 1 plus j in place of we have to substitute what here? 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 how much here? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is nothing but what here? 1. 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1 again what here? 1 by 2. Right? Next, A13. A1. Right? This is I is nothing but 1 and j is nothing but 3. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus what here? J here? 3. 1 by 2 minus into plus minus 3 plus 3. Right? 1 by 2 minus 3 into plus minus 3 plus 3 how much here? 0. Any number into 0 is nothing but what here? 0. Next. Next this one element 8. Second row, first column. Here I is nothing but 2 and j is nothing but 1. Where in place of I we have substitute 2 and j in place of we have to substitute what here? 1. 1 by 2 minus 3 into what is I here? 2. 2 plus what is j? 1. 1 by 2 minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus 1. Right? 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1 how much here? Minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is nothing but what here? 5. 1 by 2 into 5. 1 by 2 into 5 how much here? 1 into 5? 5. 5 divided by 2. Next one. Next one, A21 is one. Next, A second row, second column. Here I in place of we have to substitute 2, j in place of also we have to substitute 2. 1 by 2 minus 3, I is nothing but 2 plus j is also nothing but also equal to 1 by 2. What here? minus 6 plus 2. 1 by 2 minus 6 how much here? Minus 4. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 4 is nothing but what here? 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are. Alright? 1 into 2. Next. A2. Next, second row, third column element. Next, I in place of we have to put 2 and j in place of we have to put 3. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3. 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 3. 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 3 how much here? Modulus of minus 3. Right? 1 by 2. Modulus of minus 3 is nothing but what here? 3. Right? How much here entirely? 3 divided by 2. Right? Next. A 2 second row, fourth column element. Right? Next. 1 by 2, I is nothing but 2 and j is nothing but 4. Minus 3 into 2 plus 4. Yeah. 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 4. Here 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 4 how much here? Minus 2. Modulus of minus 3 is nothing but what here? 2. 1 by 2 into 2. 2 and the 4. So get cancelled. Remaining is what here? 1. Next. Next one, third row, first column element. Right? I is nothing but 3 and j is nothing but 1. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1. Right? 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 1. Minus 9 and 9 plus 1 how much here? Modulus of minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is nothing but what here? Plus 8. 2 ones are 2, 4s are. How much here? 4. Next. Third row, second column. In place of I we have to put 2, j in place of we have to put I in place of we have to put 3, j in place of we have to put 2. Minus 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 how much here? 7. Modulus of minus 7 how much here? 7. 1 by 2 into 7. 1 into 7, 7. 7 divided by 2. Next. Third row, third column. I in place of we have to put 3, j in place of also we have to put 3. Minus 3 to 3 plus j is also 3. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3. 1 by 2. Minus 9 plus 3 how much here? Minus 6. Modulus of minus 6 is we have to write 6. 2 ones are 2, 3. Is 3. Next one. Half into I in place of we have to put 3, j in place of we have to put 4 plus 4 1 minus 9 plus 4 minus 9 plus 4 how much here? Minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 we have to write it as 5 is 1 into 5 5 5 divided by 2. Then we have to replace it in the matrix. A given matrix A is equal to, in the given matrix, first it is the element here, first one element, first row element 1, first row second row element here 1 by 2, first row third column element 0, and first row fourth column element, first row fourth column element, what is the element here? First row fourth column element, first row fourth column element 1 by 2, and second row first column element 5 by 2, and second row second column element 2. Next, second row third column element 3 by 2, second row fourth column element 1, second row, third row, first column element 4, 7 by 2, next 3, 5 by 2. This is the matrix of order 3 cross 4 matrix, right? Next one question. Next one question. Which of the find the value of x, y, z from the equation from the equation 4, 3, x, 5 is equal to y, z, 1, 5. Right? Find the values of x, y, z from the equation. These equations are given here. Right? What is the matrix is given here? First matrix 4, 3, x, 5. It is equal to y, z, 1, 5. But asking from the question here, find the values of x, y, z. Right? Here, these two matrices are equal. Right? What is mean by equal matrices here? Then two matrices whose order must be equal, whose corresponding elements are also equal here. Right? Then first, these two matrices, what is the order here? This is the matrix 2 cross 2 order, and this is also 2 cross 2 order. In between, what is the sign here? Equal sign. These two matrices are said to be equal, whose corresponding elements are also equal. Here, first matrix whose corresponding element it is equal to the second matrix. What is the corresponding element here? Y. Then y is equal to what here? 4. 4 is equal to y. Here y equal to 4. Next, z. What is the corresponding element of z here? 3. Then 3 is equal to z, or z is equal to 3. And next, what is the corresponding elements of second row first column element here? X. Here x is equal to this corresponding element of the second matrix is what here? 1. X is equal to 1. This is the values of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 3. Suppose we have to substitute in x in place of we have to substitute 1. Suppose check it. Right? 4, 3. X is equal to what here? 1. In place of we have to x put, in place of we have to put x, in place of we have to put 1. Next, x is equal to 1, and this is 5. It is equal to y. Y is equal to what here? 4. 4. And z is equal to 3. 1. Then these two matrices are said to be the what here? Equal matrix. What is mean by equal matrix here? These two matrices are said to be equal and order must be equal, whose corresponding elements are also equal here, right? That's why these two matrices are said to be the equal matrices, right? Whose corresponding elements are also equal. The x value is 1, the y value is 4, and z is equal to 3. Next one. Next, same question. Find the values of x, y, z from the equation. The equation x plus y. X plus y. 5 plus z. Here xy, it is equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. Right? Find the values of x, y, z. Right? The same problem we are asking from. Here also same. Here two matrices are said to be the what here? Equal. Because two matrices order must be equal. In between, what is the sign here? Equal sign. These two matrices are said to be equal, whose corresponding elements are also equal. What is x plus y is equal to what is the matrix here corresponding elements here 6. Then first element here x plus y, it is equal to 6. Next here 2 is equal to what is that? 2 is that. This corresponding elements are equal. Next 5 plus z. Then second row first column element of the first matrix, it is equal to the corresponding elements of second matrix. What is here? 5. Next here xy is equal to what here? 8 is equal to 8. Then these three equations we have to take. It is equation number 1, equation number 2, and this is equation number 1. We have to find out directly one value already comes here. 5 plus z is equal to 5. What is z? From equation 5 plus z is equal to 5. Then z is equal to, then plus sign is there in between. Then we have to move RHS side. Then plus 5 we have to move RHS side. Then what happens here? Minus 5 comes. Right? Z is equal to 5 minus 5, how much here? 0. Then z is equal to 0. Next, here x plus y is equal to 6 and xy is equal to 8. Either maybe we have to change this one equation or maybe this one equation. Right? X plus y is equal to 6 is there. What is x? Then plus y we have to move that side. From equation from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. Right? Then we have to change either maybe y value or maybe x value. Then x is equal to what happens here? Plus y we move this side. What happens here? 6 minus y. Right? This is equation number 4 we have to take here. Right? Then this x value we have to substitute in equation number 3. Substitute equation 4 and right 3. Right? Here xy is equal to what here? 8. Right? What is x? 6 minus y. In place of x we have to substitute 6 minus y into y. It is equal to 8. Right? Then we have to multiply inside the term here. 6 into y, how much here? 6y minus y into y, y square. It is equal to 8. Right? Whenever the variable power is 2, that equations are called the what here? Quadratic equation. Right? Quadratic equation, which one form here? Ax square plus bx plus c. But here negative sign is there. That's why we have to, this term we have to move RHS side. Then minus y square, that side comes to what happens here? Plus y square. Y square plus 8, then plus 6y, we have to move that side. What happens here? Minus 6y. Right? First we have to write minus 6y. Right? Next plus 8. It is equal to g. Next. We have to take the factors here. Y square minus 6y plus 8. Right? Then RF we are using. Right? Then y square into 8, how much here? 8y square. Right? 8 is which one multiple here? Then add, then we have to get 6. Right? Then multiply, we have to get 8. Then 8 is how much here? 4 2s. Right? 4y into 2y. Right? But in between what is the sign here? Minus is there. Right? We have to take here. Both of the signs must be, we have to take what here? Minus sign. Right? Then y square, then minus 6y, in place of we have to take what here? What are the factors?